How to reset phone to factory settings on Samsung M32. First of all, open the settings on your phone, then scroll down and tap on General Management. This is where you will find options related to system settings. Next, tap on Reset. You will see several reset options here, but you need to select Factory Data Reset. This will erase all data from your device, including your Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, photos, and other user files. After that, scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset again. If your phone is locked with a PIN, password, or pattern, it will ask you to enter it for confirmation. Once entered, tap on Delete All. Now your phone will restart and begin the factory reset process. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your device will boot up just like it did when you first bought it, with everything erased and fresh. Make sure to back up any important data before doing this, because once the reset starts, there's no way to recover deleted files. And that's it. Now you know how to reset phone to factory settings on Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.